Don't film this yet. So welcome to America. Is it filming? Counting down?
Yes.
Welcome to American Dream Garage. So one of the problems that I have is I have two lifts, and my idea was to keep one lift open at all times for things that I need to do to a car. So for example, I got a fan belt issue on a car over here. I needed to jack it up and put it on jack stands to work on it, because the front wheels and the front suspension on this car is being worked on. So I needed a way to be able to move cars around that are in a semi-finished state. So while this isn't ugly, or this isn't pretty, it is ugly, it's functional. So this idea of this is to be able to lower a car front end or rear end on this to sit on this wood, and then be able to use this to move cars around. So I also have a car at home on a lift without a front suspension, which I plan on using it, and I'll show that. So in order to do this, I found caster wheels that each could withstand 1,800 pounds. They are anchored in with 4 3/8 inch bolts, and then use 4x4 treated lumber, which I anchored together with 4 bolts to where they're really one unit, and then use 3/8 inch carriage bolts to bolt it to this frame. And then the reason this is wider is I wanted to be able to disperse more weight and create a more stable system here. If I only had it the weight of this with wheels, it could flip over. This one is most likely not going to flip over, so I hope. So anyway, for about probably $60 or $70, no, I forgot about the wheels. Probably about 150 bucks. I've got this thing which I can basically, my American Dream Dolly, I can basically move cars that are in semi-finished states, either the front end or the rear end off the car. So I will show you how it works here in a little bit. Thanks.